BJ Cross Jeep. We have today a 20th edition 392 Rubicon with the air compressor and the back gate. Just kind of wanted to go over that feature. Got a handy little hose that they come with. You can plug those in. And with the vehicle in the on position, turned on, you got a start button. Obviously you can hear the air kick on. You got a couple different valves. This is open, close it. You got another valve here you can open and close so that you can air up your tires, air up the basketball. You can even air down when you're going off-road. Easy to air back up once you're done.